Imagine you're earning an average salary, paying your bills, enjoying life, and still saving nearly half of your income. Sounds impossible? For many people in China, it's just a normal way of life. China has one of the highest savings rates in the world. But it's not just about being frugal. It's about smart money habits, modern strategies, and a mindset that turns saving into a lifestyle, not a sacrifice. While the world struggles with rising costs, many Chinese families continue to build wealth quietly and steadily. In 2025, new trends have made these methods even more powerful. From digital saving hacks to smart budgeting rules, these strategies are helping people stay ahead, no matter their income level. In this video, I will show you how to apply these updated Chinese money saving and management tips to your life. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to break free from poverty and build lasting financial security. Number 1. The modern Chinese mindset of saving. Saving money has always been part of Chinese culture, but in 2025, the approach has changed. It's no longer just about cutting costs. It's about saving with purpose. Many people in China now follow a mindset called Jian Dan Shenghua, which means simple living. This lifestyle focuses on spending less, but still enjoying life by choosing what truly matters. For example, instead of buying trendy clothes, people invest in quality items that last longer. Instead of eating out often, they cook healthy meals at home, saving money while improving their health. The goal is not to avoid spending, but to spend wisely. Chinese savers also divide their money into clear goals: education, homeownership, business opportunities, and retirement. This way, every yuan has a job. Technology plays a big role, too. Apps like Alipay and WeChat track spending, suggest budgets, and even offer rewards for saving. Young people, especially Gen Z, are embracing these tools to grow their wealth without feeling restricted. The result? A lifestyle that balances enjoyment with future security. It's about being smart, and anyone, no matter where they live, can follow this approach to build a better financial future. Number 2. The October 30th 60 Rule, China's modern budgeting hack. In recent years, a new budgeting rule has become popular among young professionals in China. It's called the October 30th 60 Rule, and it's helping people manage their money without feeling stressed. The idea is simple: divide your monthly income into 3 parts based on what matters most. 10% goes into a freedom fund. This fund is for emergencies, investments, or anything that gives you long-term security. It's like paying your future self first. 30% is for everyday living expenses: rent, food, transportation, and bills. What's interesting is how people keep this part low. Many choose smaller apartments, use public transport, and cook at home instead of eating out. The remaining 60% goes into what they call a growth fund. This isn't just savings. It's money for improving your life. It might be for learning new skills, taking an online course, or even starting a side business. One example is Lynn, a 28-year-old graphic designer in Shenzhen. She followed the October 30th 60 Rule for 2 years and saved over $25,000. She didn't live poorly. She simply focused her spending on things that brought value to her life. What makes this budgeting method powerful is its flexibility. It encourages mindful spending while building a better future. Anyone can use it, no matter their income level, and it's proving to be a game changer for financial freedom. Number 3. Group buying power: how social saving changes the game. In China, saving money isn't just an individual effort, it's often a group activity. One popular way people cut costs is through group buying. This trend, known as Pinduoduo shopping, started with an app that allows friends, families, or even strangers to buy products together. When more people join the purchase, the price drops, sometimes by as much as 40%. This approach has spread beyond groceries and clothes. Now, people are using group buying for household items, electronics, and even healthcare products. It's common for neighbors or coworkers to form chat groups, share deals, and make bulk purchases together. Technology has made this even easier. In 2025, AI-powered platforms suggest group deals based on what you usually buy. For example, if you often order coffee or fresh vegetables, the app notifies you when there's a group deal available. The social aspect also keeps people motivated to save. When friends are involved, spending becomes more mindful. Instead of impulse shopping, people discuss their needs and make smarter choices. This strategy isn't just about getting discounts. It's about building a community that supports smarter spending. Number 4. Micro-investing and the 100 yuan wealth mindset. In China, many people are building wealth by investing small amounts of money. This idea, known as the 100 yuan wealth mindset, encourages people to start investing with as little as 100 yuan, about $15. The focus is not on how much you invest, but on building the habit of investing regularly. Apps like Alipay and Ant Group made this popular by offering easy investment options with low entry costs. Users can put small amounts into funds, stocks, or savings plans without needing expert knowledge. It's common for people to round up their purchases and invest the spare change automatically. This mindset has changed how young people think about money. Instead of waiting until they have a lot of money to invest, they start small and watch their savings grow over time. Many say it feels less stressful because they're not risking large sums. The beauty of this approach is that anyone can follow it. Whether you're in China or anywhere else, making wealth building feel easy and achievable. Number 5. The digital red envelope habit, everyday microsaving. In China, the tradition of giving red envelopes, hongbao, during holidays has taken on a new form in the digital age. What used to be a special gift for celebrations is now a daily money-saving habit. Through apps like WeChat and Alipay, people gift themselves small amounts of money every time they skip an unnecessary expense. Imagine you decide not to buy a $5 coffee. Instead of just forgetting about the money saved, you transfer that $5 into a digital red envelope. It feels like rewarding yourself for making a smart choice. Over time, these small amounts add up without much effort. Many people set daily or weekly goals, like saving 10 yuan every time they avoid impulse shopping or fast food. Some apps even gamify the process, offering rewards or higher interest for consistent saving. For example, a young professional in Shanghai saved over 3,000 yuan in 6 months just by transferring small amounts into her red envelope folder. She said it felt like collecting little victories. This method works because it turns saving into a fun daily habit. It's easy to start, requires no budgeting skills, and can be done by anyone anywhere. Number 6. The silent wealth philosophy, invisible luxury. In China, a new trend called silent wealth is changing how people think about money. Instead of showing off fancy clothes, luxury cars, or expensive gadgets, many are choosing to build quiet, invisible wealth. The focus is on real financial security rather than outward appearances. This mindset, known as qianjing, hidden gold, encourages spending less on things that lose value and more on what improves life in the long term. For example, instead of buying the latest smartphone every year, people invest in education, health, or long-term savings. Many young professionals are embracing this trend. They choose high-quality basics that last longer rather than trendy items that go out of style quickly. Some even practice low-desire living, cutting unnecessary spending and focusing on personal goals. Social media influencers in China are promoting this lifestyle by sharing tips on saving, investing, and self-improvement rather than luxury shopping hauls. This approach helps people build real wealth without feeling pressure to keep up with trends. The silent wealth philosophy proves that true financial success doesn't need to be visible. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms, with money quietly working for your future. Number 7. Education as an investment, not an expense. In China, many people see education not as a cost, but as an investment in their future. The idea is simple. The more skills you learn, the more opportunities you create for yourself. This mindset has become even stronger in 2025, with affordable online courses and skill-building platforms easily available. Parents often save not just for their children's school fees, but also for extra classes in languages, technology, and finance. Adults, too, invest in learning. Popular platforms like Alibaba's education arm and Coursera offer short courses in areas like AI, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship. For example, a young woman in Guangzhou spent 500 yuan on a coding course, later landing a remote job that doubled her salary. Stories like this are common, proving that smart learning can lead to better income and career growth. In the end, investing in education is like planting seeds. The effort you put in today can grow into a better, richer future. Number 8. Financial feng shui. Organize your money. Organize your life. In China, feng shui is an ancient practice used to create balance and harmony in living spaces. Today, many people are applying these ideas to their finances, calling it financial feng shui. The idea is simple. When your money is well organized, your life feels more balanced and less stressful. Just like clearing clutter from a room, people declutter their finances by tracking spending, organizing bank accounts, and setting clear goals. Many use budgeting apps that show money flow like energy currents, making it easy to see where money gets stuck in wasteful spending. For example, some people separate their savings into different digital buckets for specific goals: emergency funds, education, travel, and investments. This not only keeps things organized, but also motivates saving. By treating money like energy, people feel more in control and confident. Beating poverty isn't just about earning more money, it's about managing what you have wisely. The Chinese approach to saving and money management shows that small, smart habits can lead to big results. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.